Okay, we're starting today. I guess it's not the star of the day, but it's the day. With our 2005 Dodge Ram 3500. We took this truck on trade a year and a half ago, 2 years ago, something like that. And we've been using it for towing a trailer and just for work. And we don't tow a big enough load to warrant a dually. And we own another dually, so we decided it's time to sell. We did a bunch of maintenance to it. The tires are new, they're Michelin's. High end. We did I think they have 2,000 miles on them or something. 235/80 17s. They're the factory size. So make it better towing. It did have an oversized tire, but we weren't a fan of it since you use these for towing, or at least we do. It does have the gooseneck in the back. We put a new brake box on it. We did I can't remember the clutch name. It's on our write-up. South bend clutch, a little bit upgraded, so it's not stiff at all. It's not crazy. It's not a racing clutch. It's a towing clutch that's not, like a racing clutch. Let me rephrase this one. It doesn't have the feel of a very advanced high towing clutch where it's stiff as hell. How about that? It's not going to wear your leg out. It's a good feel to it, but it also will handle towing capacity. Will upgrade. Did the rear main seal at the same time. Did a bunch of work, some AC work. You can see the condenser new. Battery new. I don't know if we hit both of them, but like I said, it's in our write-up, so we'll get detailed there. You have new intercooler hoses. Yeah, that's an engine bay with a nice Cummins. So it is an 05, which is pre-def. It's your 6-speed manual. That's my clipboard. Had carpet in it, so it's just a normal universal rubber floor mat. So pulled the carpet, we sound deadened underneath it, bought a rubber mat. Since we're using it for work, we didn't care if it had carpet or not, so we went ahead and ran with rubber floor. It was just getting old. Seat's in good condition. We put the little pulley step on there because it is a taller truck. Dash is in good shape all the way across. There's a Pioneer aftermarket touchscreen. There's some 12-inch subs, a Kenwood Exxon amp. There's normal wear and tear for a work truck on it, but looking around it, I haven't witnessed any rust. There's surface rust. You're going to have it, obviously, your leaf spring, it has some rust on that surface. What I mean by rust is there's not rust issues. You don't see it in the body. You don't see it in the rockers. You don't see it in the door bottoms. Before we put in the rubber floor, bought a WeatherTech mat for the rear. They don't make one for the front in the manual, so we couldn't get the front. We tried, but then we ended up going with the rubber floor, so it's in there. There's your sub, runs across. You got a sub box that runs full length. There are aftermarket speakers. You can see it a little bit glistening in that tweeter over there. But it's a work truck, so a little bit of a paint fade, fender tops there. But you're buying one of these because it's pre-def and it's the 6-speed manual. And it's a Southern truck. And we own a full shop here. So our shop's the whole backside. We do a lot of diesel work. So we've been maintaining it too. We use it for our own service. So there's the other sub right there. It does have, look at the door panel. It does have the flip up middle seat. Like I said, these are just universal mats. They were washing the inside, so there's a little moisture in there. That's not from exterior leak, that was from being washed yesterday. But yeah, that is it. If anyone needs a driving video or anything else, just give us a holler. If you have questions, give us a call. Car Cave in Aiken, South Carolina.